One day, a bear was walking in the forest. He came to a tree and saw a beehive hanging from it. The bear sniffed the air and smiled. He said, "Wow, honey, I love honey." But many bees were flying around the beehive. The bear tried to go near, but the bees were angry. The bear quickly stepped back and sat under the tree. He said, "Not now, I will wait." After some time, the bees flew away. Now the beehive was quiet. The bear slowly took some honey and started eating. He smiled and said, "Be patient. Sweet things will come."